This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, we'll select here my project. We'll click on next. Then again next, and again we will select archetype as quick start, not quick start, web apps this time. Web apps next. Let me pass few things here. So we will say search, or let's say second MVC project. Yeah, second MVC project. Second Spring MVC. Spring MVC project. Second MVC. Second Spring MVC project. Here as well, I'll give the same. I'll just pass the package name, guys. I'll say com.mvc. Yeah, simply I'll say com.mvc, guys. Whatever you want, you can do it. Or if you want, you can give com.mvc.controller. Controller. Yeah, I'll click on finish. The second MVC project has been created, guys. Now we have to add the dependency as well. So for time being, no new dependency. Whatever dependency we have used in the old project, we will use it. Yeah. So we will copy the dependency from our old project. Yeah, we'll copy the dependency. So we'll open the form.xml. Then this also, and just simply we'll do copy paste. Yeah, so from the new thing, just we will copy the dependency as. So we have to copy this Spring. Now only the Spring MVC we need for time being. No need to connect with database. So only Spring MVC dependency will add here. Okay, so we'll go in dependencies tag somewhere and we'll paste it on. So just one dependency for time being. Now close the old thing. Now guys, even we need servlet dispatcher and all. So what we will do, we will copy this from old project. Yeah, we are not going to do once again. We'll copy paste from old project. So already we have the new Spring MVC. From that itself, we will do copy paste. So let us go for main web apps, web-inf. So I need what, guys? I need Spring servlet.xml hyphen springs hyphen servlet.xml and web.xml. Simply we will copy paste and we will copy and will paste in web-inf. You can see, guys, it's present inside web-inf. Yeah, present inside web-inf. So in web-inf, simply we will do copy paste. Okay, just telling something else. Fine, I'll say yes to all. Okay, let me check, guys. Why? Okay, already we have one old web.xml, right? So we will copy paste the complete thing here. So you will get here, guys, what you will get here: Spring servlet.xml, you will get here web.xml, and so many things. Now our work is done. So we are getting an error, so we'll fix the error, guys. So how to fix the error? Right click on project. So here we have to add the dependency of your Apache Tomcat in your project. Then only we can run the application, right? So right click, build path, configure build path. And here you will go to add library, server runtime. Next, you will select your Apache Tomcat version and you will click on finish. So in my case, my system is little slow, so we need to go a little slow, guys. Yeah, then apply. Okay. So now all the error will be resolved now. Just wait. You can see all the error has been resolved. Yes, all the error, guys, has been resolved. Now what we will do, guys, just we will open servlet-xml and web.xml. Yes, let us open this. So in web.xml, guys, no change. Yeah, because the servlet dispatcher will be as it is always. So I'll close this. Next comes your Spring servlet.xml. So guys, here we have to do a small change. That is, we have to change the base package. We have to change the base package name, because now we will create a controller in some other package. So we have to change the base package name. So simply what I'll do, I'll go to your Java resource, src. Okay, we have not created anything. Just a second, guys. There's no package. Okay, Java src. Okay, there's no package. That's okay, no problem. We'll create a class here. Yes, we'll create a class, and meanwhile we'll create a package as well. Meanwhile, we'll create a package. We will say the package name should be com.mvc.search, or let's say controller. Yeah, controller. And here we'll pass the name. Let's say I'm going to give a name as search controller. Search controller. Search controller, and simply I'll click on finish. Yes, and this package, this base package, guys, we have to pass in spring-servlet.xml. So simply what we will do, right click, copy qualified class name, and you will paste here. Because all the resources, all the classes will be present here, right? So we have to scan all the class. Yeah, so com.mvc.controller. This is your package. This is your package. You have to copy and paste. Now my configuration is done. Now guys, my configuration is done successfully. So I'll close this servlet-spring-servlet.xml, and now we have to create a controller. Before creating a controller, guys, we have to create a search box. Yes, before creating the controller, guys, we have to create a search box. So simply we'll click on, right click on src. Okay, then we'll go for webinf. Yes, inside webinf we will create a, yes, inside webinf itself we will create a view. So right click on webinf. Okay, or you can see, guys, in servlet here what we have specified, inside this webinf views. If you want, you can change the folder name, but for time being what I'll do, guys, inside webinf we will create a folder first. Yeah, because I don't want to change the configuration again. So new, and I'll create a folder. I'll give a folder name as views, and I'll click on finish. Yeah, now inside this view we will create a JSP page. So right click, new, and let's say JSP file. JSP file. Just a second. Yeah, JSP file, and here we will pass the JSP file name. Here we'll pass, guys, JSP file name. So let's say the JSP file name is search. It is search. Okay, search.jsp. Oh God. Search. Yeah, search.jsp finish. We'll create a, we have a JSP page. Yeah, so first, guys, we have to design our view. Configuration part is done. Yeah, we have completed all the configuration. We have completed, guys, all the configuration. So configuration part is done. So if you want, guys, you can pass here only com.mvc also. Yes, if you want, guys, you can pass only com.mvc as well, because now if you will create com.mvc.entity, will create com.mvc DAO and so on. So you have to pass the base package, that is super package, base package. That's okay. I'll pass a com.mvc. If you will, now we have only one class, so it will work. Let's say if I create one more package, in that case we have to give the super package name. So that's okay. Base package, I'll say com.mvc itself. For time being, guys, I'll say com.mvc. If you are confused, you can pass com.mvc.controller. It is up to you. Yes. Now here we have to create a search box, guys. Now we have to create a view. So to create a view, guys, again we will make use of Bootstrap. Again, guys, we'll make use of Bootstrap. I hope, guys, screen is visible. Yeah, screen is visible, guys, for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because in my case, I'm not getting, so I asked. Okay, so we will simply search here. Yeah, simply we will search here Bootstrap. We will search here Bootstrap 4. We will search here, guys, Bootstrap 4, and we will open the first link. Then we'll scroll down. We will scroll down, guys, and here we will select, we'll copy the, once you will scroll down, guys, you will get starter template. So copy the complete starter template from here and paste in your JSP file. And paste in your JSP file. Yeah, so I don't want hello world. So I want title as search application. Just a second, guys, just a second. I want title as search application, and let it be, and here guys, welcome to my search application. Yes, EARC search application. Welcome to my search application. And I'll say this W capital. Yeah, application. Yes, application. Now we got this. We got like of your web, this starter template. Yeah, starter template of the Bootstrap. Now what we need, guys, we need a search box. We need a search. Simply scroll down and we will see where we are getting the search. So simply we will scroll search box or not. If you want, you can write, but I don't want to waste time, guys. So I'll say search. Let me type here just search, and I'll scroll down. Yeah, you can see, guys, you can go for this or yeah, you can go for this as well, because you know in real time project like this you will get. So it is up to you. Let's see which one I'll use. So you can select any one, guys, that is up to you. But let's go a little up. Let us go a little up. Little more, little more, little more. Okay, we are not getting here. Just a second, let me see. Okay, no problem, guys. So I'll write by my own. Yeah, if I'm not getting, I'll write my own. Yeah, so we will open this. We'll open this, and first we will use form tag. First, we will use form tag, guys. Inside this form tag itself, we will write everything. So inside the form tag, I'll make use of a tag. Yeah, I'll make use of a tag. So simply I'll say div class equals to container. Div class equals to container Okay. So before that container thing, guys, we have to say, guys, one more thing. We have to create a form, right? So we have to say div class equals to form group. Yeah, we have to say, guys, div class equals to form group. Yes, div class equals to form group, and then we have to take here input type. So I'll say input type equals to, and we want a text box kind of thing, guys, so we'll say text, and then I'll give a name for this input type, so I'll say name equals to, let's say, search query or query box. It's up to you. So query box. Now we want few more things. Now we know we want, guys, few more things. So I want placeholder. I hope you know these things. Placeholder equals to enter your keyword. Enter your keyword you want to search. You want to search. Enter your keyword you want to search. I'll close this. Enter your keyword you want to search. Then I'll say class equals to form hyphen control. Yes, automatically whatever we will write here, it will be adjusted. So I'm saying class equals to form hyphen control. We will do these things, and then inside that we'll make use of, now we want everything in the middle. So I'll say, okay, so we have a div, right? So first we will close this div tag here. Yeah, first we'll close this div tag, this form group div tag. Yeah, so you can close heads.
Already it is closed, sir.
Okay, it's already closed. Yeah, okay, fine, it's already closed. Yes. Yeah, it's already closed. Fine. Okay, so next what I'll do is, okay, we'll take one more tag, div class equals to container, because we want everything in the middle, guys. So container
Sir, above form tag we have to write div class equal to container.
1 second guys, my laptop was shutting. Okay guys, so simply we have created a box here. Okay, just a second, we are getting a warning here. The div is closed, right? Okay, we'll wait for a few seconds. Yes, now we can proceed guys. Yeah, so guys, you can see what we have created here. So basically we have created a search box. Yeah, simply we have created a text box. So I'm going to say as a search box. So now we will test this whether it is working or not. Yeah, we'll do the things step by step. So now we will test guys whether it is working or not. So if you want to test, what we will do simply, yeah, if you want to test this, simply we will create a controller. Yeah, so already we have a controller guys. So we will use that controller. So name of controller is search controller. So we'll define a method. We'll say string, public string, and let's say search data. Search data will give, and here we'll say at the rate request mapping. We'll say guys here at the rate request mapping. We'll wait for a few seconds. Request mapping, and we'll pass one URL so that with the help of that URL we can handle it. We can use this controller. Yeah, so we will pass some URL, and let's say the URL is nothing but form. So I'll say fs. For time being, guys, let's say it is fs, and this method will return the view this method, guys, it is going to return view. So the name of view will be nothing but search. So name of view is nothing but, guys, search, search. Yeah, the name of view will be nothing but search. Yeah, we did this. Now we'll give a statement simply. We'll say search controller is running. Just to print on the console, just to test, guys, we will say search controller is running. Search controller is running. Search controller is running, and we will return this search. Now even we have to create the form action and all, right? Even we have to create the form action, we will do it. So up to here, guys, whatever we have completed, let us test whether we let's see whether we are getting the output or not. So my project is, second string MVC project. Just simply right click, run as, run on server. So just we are do up to here, guys, just basic concept we have covered, like we discussed up to here. We'll click on finish. So now we will get index.jsp. So we have to fire fs. How to direct that I taught you in last class, guys. Yeah, even we'll do it, not a big deal. So let us start the server first. Sudha, you are getting requirement. Studied as a requirement for J2EE. Yes. Have you registered for it? J2EE sprints and this thing, Hibernate.
No, sir. Spring not completed, no, sir.
This much you can attend. See, they will see springs. They will not ask in depth. Remember that. Spring is very vast. Oh God. You didn't register.
No, sir.
You can register now. Yes, if you are getting, you can register. Okay, we'll contact HR once. We'll see whether that requirement is open or not. Okay, after this class, we'll see. Fine. So Spring is not complete. That's okay. You can try at least, because 80% of Spring is completed, right? They didn't mention Spring Boot. They asked Springs. Yes. So 80% of the Spring is completed now. So you can go. You can register. So after this, don't miss. Oh, my system though. Okay, so we are getting hello world, guys, but what we need, we have to display our view page. So simply we'll say fs. Now we'll give /fs. So let's see what's happening. We should get few things here. Let's see. Okay, so we are getting some error, guys. Yeah, we are getting some error. Okay, so factory parsing configuration unable to locate your XML file. Okay, so XML file it is unable to locate. So it is telling string. Okay. So let us go back to Eclipse. is unable to locate your configuration file. So inside servlet, string servlet, okay guys, what is the error? Yes, what is the error? Can anyone tell me? Yes, both of you, can anyone tell me what is the error?
You have not redirected the page.
No, that is not the error.
So at the
Redirected is
rate
not.
controller. At the
Very
rate
good.
controller.
Yes, you have to use at the rate controller. Then only this is going to act as controller, right? So now let us see. We might get again error, so we have to check the configuration. Okay. So now in this there is no error currently. Let me fire once again fs. Yeah, we are getting same error, guys. Configuration problem. Unable to locate a string name handler. Okay. Let's see. Where is the error? So string servlet. Okay, so do I need to give views inside main, then Java, then web apps? Inside web we have views, right? So what I have used here, views itself, yeah, it's correct only. It's correct only, guys, but why we are not getting output? I don't want everything, I just want web views. Okay, this is the one thing, and index web.xml. I guess there's no error in this dispatcher. Okay, so let us pass the base package. Yeah, it's correct only base package. We can pass a com dot. Currently we have only one thing, so we can pass com dot mvc dot controller. Yes, no doubt, no doubt. Fine, we'll copy from here better. Copy from here and we'll paste here. We will paste here. Yeah, now let us rerun the application. Let us rerun the application, guys. Okay, if you want me to redirect, how we can redirect, guys? By using servlet response. Yes. So what I need to use, can anyone tell me? How we can redirect?
Response dot send redirect.
Response dot send redirect. I need to use braces or directly can I do?
No, sir, we have to use scripting tag.
Yes. So we have to scripting tag before that. Okay, fine. First we'll use the scripting tag itself. So percentile space. Okay, we'll close the scripting tag. Okay, and in between we have to say response dot send redirect, and here we have to pass which URL you want to redirect, guys. So I want to redirect to this particular URL, that is fs. Yes, but here we will not use forward slash. We will go for relative URL. Yes, so but hold on, we are getting a warning. Why we are getting a warning? That's okay.
But you
Warning,
said
nothing
this
gonna
is
happen.
not the error.
Yeah, this is not there. Just simply, I don't want to read this thing. I don't want to fire here fs. That is the reason. If I won't do also, it will work fine. Yeah. Okay, we'll do it later. If you are confused, we'll do it later. Yeah, obviously this is not the error. Fine. So now if I'll fire, I'll get hello world. This is not there, obviously. This is just to redirect thing we have to do. For the studies project only we did this response. For the previous project we used to fire, right? We'll see guys without that. We are getting hello world. If you want to go to FS, we will fire FS. Let's see. Okay, some error is there again, guys. Some errors there. Okay, no problem, guys. Up to that, just to complete these things. Yeah, you can just complete these things. Let me give 1 minute. Why I'm getting the error? Just I'll resolve it off. 1 minute, guys.
Sir, in spring dot servlet, you remove that tx part, tx annotation.
Because of that?
Maybe.
No, 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 not because of no. Nothing like that. Okay. This is not the error. So there is some folder thing. Path is not correct. Path, some we have to check with path here. Yeah, let's see. So IOC container is not getting the path here. So it is throwing an error. And now we are getting hello world. Let us fire fs. No, this is not the error. Okay, cannot find data source. Okay, guys, fine. All of you just do it off. Give me 1 minute. This is not the error. I don't want these things, right? I want only suffix and prefix. Let me remove this unwanted code. Yeah, just because just we did copy paste. So we got some unwanted code here. Okay, so tx is not required. So okay, fine. For time being, let me remove this tx. It's not required. If you want, you can remove util as well. Yeah, you can remove util as well. It is up to you. But that's okay. Is it be? Now.
Close bean tag, sir.
Yes, just a second. We have to close your bean tag. Let me go up. Yes, this is done. So package name we have to specify here. Okay, let me clear this console. So web.inf, inside web.inf you can see we have use folder. Inside view folder we have search.jsp. Yes, it's correct. com.controller. Can I pass here com.only MVC? I guess no. You can pass base package itself is all good. Okay, so there's some packages, so guys, we'll solve it off, not a big deal. Let me re-execute once. Okay, let me fire here. Okay, not secure because we have not used method. Yes. Now fs, right? We'll get an error because if it's going to take this much time, we'll get an error, guys. Okay, all of you try. That's okay. All of you try. Let's see. Even you are getting the error itself. Okay, no. Oh God, what was the error then? Okay, guys, you can see now there's no error. We are getting welcome to search page. Yes, you can see this. We are getting here welcome to search page. Now we have to complete the remaining things. I want this in a center. Yeah, so I want this in a center. Okay, it is done. Well and good. Yeah, so some spelling mistake and all was there, guys. Package name. Okay, if I'm passing controller, then if I'm passing dot controller, then I'm getting an error. Is it controller? Might be controller is a keyword, guys. Yeah, might be controller is a keyword. So no, now it's not happening. Fine, that's okay. Let's proceed now. So we will complete the configuration view. We will go back. Now let's say if you don't want to open each time your this index.jsp, then what you can do, you can make use of, you can say here response dot, okay, let me close this first. We can say here response dot send redirect, and we'll pass here fs. Yes, we'll pass here fs, guys. Fs. Just a second. We'll pass here fs. Now if I re-execute the program, guys, then directly this is just to, if you don't want welcome, like if you don't want the default file, in that case you have to use. Now it will not affect your program. Yes, if you want just to redirect, if I'll click on run on server, guys, you can see we will get this time. No need to fire fs now. Automatically it will be redirect to particular search controller itself. This line of code is useful whenever you want to redirect. Because of this, you will not get any error. Just let us wait. Now, this time no need to fire. If this guys directly will get search. You can see. Just let us wait. Yeah. This is just to redirect. Fine, guys. Now we'll complete our JSP, search or JSP base. Now I want this proper search box. Yeah, I don't want like this dappa thing. I want the proper, so we have to make some changes here. Yeah, so first thing I'll do, I'll give a form action. Yeah, so first I'll give here, guys, form action. So I'll say form action equals to, and let's say I'll give here process. You can give whatever you want again. Process, PROCESS, and then I'll pass here. Now I want some margin from top. Yeah, I want margin from top, guys. So I'll say class equals to, and in double quotes we can pass, for top margin we can say top hyphen empty hyphen 2. Yes, and we'll close this action here itself. Yeah, so if you want margin top, you can say class equals to empty hyphen 2. Yes, after that, now if I refresh the project, guys, you can see you will get the margin from top. Yeah, just wait, because sometimes because of cache memory it will not work, guys. So you have to keep on refreshing, or you have to start the server. So in this case, it's not working fine. So I'll restart the server, guys. This will happen because of cache memory of Eclipse. Let me close this. Now just a wait. Okay, so it's not working. Not working, guys. Okay, so what we will do, we will make use of, okay, we'll do one thing, guys. We will say div class equals to container. Yes, let me use this div class equals to container. And we will close this div at the last. Yeah, just after form. Yeah, after form you can close it. Now let me refresh and see the changes now. Oh god, something fishy here. Something is not working, guys. So I need to restart. I need to clean my Apache Tomcat. Okay. What's not happening, guys? Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll do this JSP thing once again. Something fishy, guys. Some tag we have missed and all.
Sir,
Whatever we have
remove that
used.
empty2 from that form and add that in container class.
Okay, but there also it should work, right? Okay, fine. Just a second, guys. Just a second. If you are done, well and good. Yes. Okay, guys. So basically, I need okay. So one small change we have to do. One small thing. I need a card, guys. Yeah, like this. If I'm executing this, you can see we are getting just the search box. Yeah, we are getting just the search box like this. Yeah, we are getting just the search box, but it won't look that good. I want something specific. Now, if I'll go to some website, let's say if I'll go to, yeah, I want something like this. You can see, guys, you are getting the time you will open your Chrome, you will get something like this. Yeah, this is nothing but your card. Yeah, this is nothing but your card. So here what we have to do, we have to make use of card class, form card. Okay, we'll do it again, not a big deal. So that's what, guys. Front end, I am not that. Front end you have to do by yourself. Yes. So let's say I'll go for card, form card. Form card. Yeah, I want something like this, guys. Whenever I open anything, I should get in the box. Yeah, I should get in the box. So I just scroll down. I just scroll down. Okay, so search card. That's it, search card. Okay, let us scroll down. We are getting something or not? Let us go down. Yeah, I want something like this, guys. You can see some box, and then we have to make use of a search button. So you can see we have a class by name card itself. Yes, we have a class name by card itself. Inside that card class, we will create a form. Yes, then only we will get this box type. Yes, whenever you will open, guys, you will get some box, and inside that search button, right? I want to do exactly like that. So what I need to do, guys, I need to make use of a class. So the class name is card, C-A-R-D. So you can just Google it, you can go through. Yes, because we have to focus on backend mode, right? So I'll say div class equals to, yeah, I'll say div class. Okay, okay, so first I'm going to make use of, yeah, I'll say div class equals to card. So we have a class itself by name card. If you will open the bootstrap, guys, you can see you will get here div class itself, we have something as card. Div class card we have. If you want to get something like this, so we'll go for this particular thing, guys. Div class equals to card, and we'll close this at last. Yeah, we'll close this card class at last, and we have to give this card body. So we will say again div. We'll say again div class equals to card body. We'll say guys div class card body. So now let us execute only this much, guys. We'll do step by step. Yeah, we'll do step by step front end thing. Just we'll execute. We'll see what we are getting. We'll go back and we will refresh it. We will wait, guys, again. Okay, so guys, you can see we are getting some card here, right? We are getting some card. So we have to assign some margin and all. So here for this card, we will say, okay, so first I want to move to the middle. Yeah, so I'll say div class equals to container. Div class equals to container, because I want in a middle, right? So I'll go for this particular thing. I'll close this, and this I'm going to close even at the last itself. Yeah, even I'll close this at last itself. So now let us refresh. We will see the things step by step. Oh God. One second, guys. Let me restart the server. So guys, from next class, I won't do any front end. Yeah, I'll give you task, you do and come. We will not waste time in front end, guys. You can see you're wasting so much time here. Let's see what I'll get now. Okay, at least I got something in middle, right? You can see, guys, we got something in middle. Even I want this welcome to search in middle. So this h1 tag, yeah, this h1 tag, guys, I'll place inside this div container itself. Div container itself. We'll refresh it off. Again, guys, same issue. You can see my application is working fine. Fine, let us ignore that. So now we want some few things. We want margin and all for this card. We want to change the color. Yeah, I want to change the color for this card. We want some margin. So inside this card itself, we will say empty hyphen 5. You can give whatever, yeah, you can give whatever margin you want. Yes, you can give whatever margin you want, and I want background color as, you can give any background color. Again, you can go to bootstrap and you can do it. So let's say I'll give background color as danger. So you can see what is the meaning of danger and success. Yeah, you can see, or you can search here buttons. Yeah, you can see here we have something as danger, we have something as primary, we have secondary. So I want this color. The search box should be of this color. So I will pass here danger, guys. Yeah. So I'm passing here danger. So I'll say BG danger, and I want some style. Yeah. I want some width and all. So for width, what I can say, guys, for width, what we can do, we can say after this danger thing, we can say style equals to uh, style equals to, yes, we want width, so width colon 50%. These things are nothing but your CSS as well. Yeah, so we will check it once this what we are getting, guys. Up to here we will see what we are getting. So we should get some first this margin we should get, and the color of search box should be changed now, and then we have increased the width now. So let us execute this. Let us execute. I'll restart the server. Yeah. So you can use danger, you can use warning, you can use info, secondary, primary, whatever you want. Which color, like if you want, based on the color you want, you can use it from here. Okay. Let us proceed. Let us wait. Let us wait until it is reloaded. So now it will redirect to FS. You can see now we are getting only project name. Now it will redirect to FS. Yeah, we got something like this, guys. You can see we got something like this. Danger white, this color, guys, because we have used here danger. If I change it to success, we will get as a green. Now if I change it to success here, we will get as a green. Let us refresh. We'll see whether it's working now or not. Oh, seriously, there is some problem with this Apache Tomcat, guys. Each time I have to restart. Okay, we will refresh it once first. Yeah, you can see, guys, we got here green color. So based on that, whatever you want, you can choose and you can do it. So fine, we'll change it to danger in my case. We will change it to danger. So if I refresh, guys, okay, we need to wait for a few seconds if your system is slow, and keep on refreshing. Oh God. Keep on refreshing until you will not get. And this time I got success. Now this is something else, like we have created a card, guys, like box kind of thing. Yes, now we have to create a form. We should have. Now here we want what? Here we want a search button. Yes, and we need a place so that we can pass the URL. Yes, we need a place and we need a search button. So we will do it all. Yes. So for search button, guys, what I do inside this class body, and inside this class body, we will make use of form tag. So we'll say form. We will say, guys, form, and we'll pass your action. Form action equals to, and let's say form action. I'm going to give here fs itself. Okay, let's say process, 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 and then few more things I'll give. Yeah, few more things I'll give. So I want some margin and all. So can I say here class equals to, for this I need some margin. So empty hyphen 2. Empty hyphen 2, guys. Next. Once it is done, then we have to create a form and all. So we will take our tag here again, div. We will say, guys, div tag. So I'll do it fast, guys. You can just go through. Yeah. Because this front end part, I'll go quick. and group. Okay, we'll close this here, and inside this div we will write body for this form. Yes, inside this div class we will write body for this form. So I'll say first I need a text box. So I'll say input type equals to text, input type equals to text, and let's say I want some key to access. So I'll say query box or search box. Search box. I'll say guys search box, and then I need something to be printed for the user, so I'll make use of placeholder. Placeholder equals to I'll pass here enter your search, enter your search keyword. Yeah, because in the box I want to print something, right? So I'll do this, and if you want to adjust your form by itself, so we will go for form hyphen control, form hyphen FORM control. Yes, form hyphen control. Yeah, so let us close the div tag here, guys. After this, okay, we have closed already. Okay, so all the div close tag has been closed. So this div tag will be closed here. Now let us go back and refresh. We should get our text box. Yeah, we should get what, guys? Text box once. And inside the text box, we should get what? Enter your search keyword. Let us refresh now. Yeah, you can see, guys, what we got. We got something as enter your search keyword. If you want, you can adjust. Yeah, further if you want, you can modify things, guys. So you can see this is nothing but a card. Yes, this box I'm going to consider. We got this box with the help of card, and this we got with the help of input type text. Yes, now here we can type the things, guys. Yeah, here we can type the things whatever you want to search. Yeah, so here we can type the things, but after search we should have one button. Yeah, after search, guys, we should have what? We should have one button. So for the we have to create a button as well. We have to create, guys, one button. So we will create a button inside form tag itself. Yes, so that inside the form tag we can submit this particular form. Yeah, so we will say here, we will say button btn control space. Okay, not this thing. So we will say button. Okay, DUTTON. Yeah, button class equals to. And again, if you want button, guys, you can go to Bootstrap. Yes, you can see we have different buttons. Whichever you want, you can use it. Yeah, let's say I want the success one. So simply I'll do copy paste. Simply, guys, I'll do copy paste here. If you want, you can write by yourself. That is up to you. So button is success. I don't want success here, so I'll say button should be search. Button should be search here. Yeah, button search button we have created. Again, we will go back, we'll refresh it once. Yeah, you can see, guys, we got a button. We got a button, but I want this button in the middle. Yeah, now I want this button in the middle. So we'll make use of again div class. We will say div class equals to container. We'll say div class equals to container, and we will close this div at last. Now let's see what's happening if I do this. Yeah, let's see, guys, what's happening, what we are getting. We should get
The
this button at
spelling
the
of
middle.
container is wrong, sir.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Just a second. We need to wait until it's reloaded. Okay, we got this, but I want to align this text as, yeah, text center.
Text
Yes,
center.
when we yes, even we have to say here text center, text hyphen center. So guys, in front end you need to help. Yeah, in front end you have to have it. You can see guys, we got this button. Now if you want to increase it, decrease it, that is up to you. Yeah, now I want to increase this card. Yeah, if you want to increase or decrease, it is up to you, you can do it. Yeah, so let's say this card I'll give as a 80%. Let's say if I'll give as 80%, then what's happening? If I'll give as a 80%, what's happening guys? Okay, we are getting like this. Fine. So we'll give as a 50% itself. Now if I change it to 8 and I'll change it to, okay, this thing I don't, yeah, this thing is okay. Let us see now. Let us see guys. If you want to increase, you can keep here. That is up to you. Again, you can do it by yourself. So guys, we have created a button. Now if I click here, let's say I want to search facebook.com. So I'll type here facebook.com. So if I type Facebook, it should redirect us to Facebook page. Yes, if I type guys Facebook, it should redirect us to Facebook page. So fine, let us proceed. So now your front end is done, your view is done. We have to work with controller. Yes, we have to work with controller. So now this, yes guys, so this particular method will accept the request. Yeah, this particular method is used to, you can say simply it is used, it is a URL for your view. Now we should have one method which will handle your view. So I'll say public string, public string, and I'll give here method name as handle view. Handle view. You can give again whatever you want, and you can pass here return, and whatever you want to return guys you can give here. Yeah, we'll see what we have to return here. So let us do it now. Again request mapping, again request mapping, and then you have to, if you want you can pass the path as well. Yeah, if you want you can pass a path, that is up to you again. So what I do guys, I'll say request mapping, and for this, so guys here what I need to pass, can anyone tell me? In this request mapping handle view, what we have to pass?
Absolute URL.
Okay, what is that absolute? Which URL we have to pass? So basically guys, we have to pass here form action. No, we have to pass here form action, so that once we will fill the data here, once we'll fill the data, it should call this particular handler. So we have to pass this particular form action now. So we will go and we will do copy paste. Yeah, so we will say forward slash, will pass it. Now this handler, so simply this handler is to, we can say it is going to act as a URL for this search, but this handler will handle your front end view. This handler guys is going to handle your front end view. Yeah, that's all. Now guys, what we have to do, we have to, the time user will click on sign up. Yes, so the time user will click on sign up, we have to redirect, not sign up guys. Let's say if user will search at Facebook, and if user will click on search, we have to go to Facebook page. Yes, we have to go to Facebook page. So indirectly we can say we have to redirect our this particular page to Facebook. Yes, or we have to redirect this to this particular page to Instagram. We have to go to particular to, let's say, jspiders.com and so on. So what we have to do guys, how we can, now we have to redirect this page. We have to redirect this page. So in last class we learned in how many ways we can redirect. So either you can go for the redirect preview prefix, or you can go for redirect view. So currently I'm going to use guys redirect. Yes, I will use redirect view. So I'll say redirect view. I'll say guys redirect view. So the return type of this method will be redirect view itself. Started we have discussed guys. Yeah. So now here we have to create the object of redirect first. So we'll say redirect braces colon semicolon. We'll use a new operator. We'll assign to some variable, and we will return this redirect. Yes, we will return this redirect thing. Yes, so simply we are returning the object, guys. Yeah, simply what we are doing, we are returning the object. We are returning the object, guys. So now what we have to do, guys? Now, yes, now what we have to do? Now basically we have to take the data from your front end, and we have to, yeah, we have to take the data from front end. Yes, whatever data user is entering, we have to take the data from front end. Based on that data, we have to redirect. Yes, we have to take the data, guys, from front end, and based on that data we have to redirect. Let's say if user will, yes, in this particular box, guys, if user will type Facebook, then we have to take the data from this front end and we have to pass to controller, and controller is going to process it to www.facebook.com. Yeah, inside the controller we will make use of redirect view. So guys, what is happening? Whatever data we will pass here, let's say if I'll pass here Instagram, so that data should traverse to controller. Now controller is the one who will decide where you have to go, where you have to traverse. So basically we have to transfer the data from your front end to back end, and the controller will decide which URL you have to access or where you want to redirect. So guys, how we can transfer the data from front end to back end? Yes, how we can transfer the data, guys, from front end to back end? Yes, how we can? In how many ways?
Model and view, so with the help of.
Yes. Yeah. So what model? Front end to back end I'm talking about. I'm not talking about back end to front end. Yes, I want to transfer the data from front end to back end. If you want back end to front end, you will go for model and other thing. Yes, guys.
We'll make use of annotation
What annotation you will use?
@request param or @model attribute.
Yes. So we have to make use of either @request param or model attribute. So for time being, guys, I'll go for @request param because we don't have any model class. So I'll go for @request param. Request param. Now, if you remember, guys, request param, here we have to pass what? Here we have to pass the key. Yes, here we have to pass the name, whatever you are going to use, field name, whatever you are going to use in the front end. So here we have used the name as search box. So that field we have to pass here. That field, guys, we have to pass here. And we know, guys, we have to assign some variable to store it. So we will say here, we will say string query. String query. Yeah, so now we will get the data from your front end and we are storing in query. Yeah, we are storing in query variable. Yes, this is done. Now, guys, let's say if you want to search some website. Okay, let's say if you want to search to, okay, let's say you want to search something as JS spiders. So I will search here JS spiders. Now, observe this URL very carefully. Observe this URL very carefully. So what we are getting, guys, here, we are getting HTTPS. Yes, we are getting what, guys? HTTPS : // then we are getting www.google.com. Yes, then we are getting // and we are getting search. So what is search, guys? Again, it is a key. Yes. Again, what it search here? Again, search is nothing but key. And after this search, we are getting what? We are getting queue. So this queue is nothing but your query. Yes, this queue is nothing but query. Let's say if you want to search Q spider, you will get here Q spider. Query will be Q spider. If you will search Facebook, the query Q will be your Facebook. Let's say I want to search Q spiders. Q spiders. So how we will get Q spiders, guys? Again, see this URL: https://www.google.com. And the search, basically you can say search is a URL. Yes, if you want to search, let's say if you want to use this form, so you will use fs, right? But if you want to search something on the Chrome, on the Google, so here search is nothing but URL. Here search is nothing but URL. So guys, what URL contains in the sense, it contains https:// then your what Google thing, and then basically domain name you can say, and then your URL will be there from the Google what you want to search. So next URL will be there, and next after question mark you have to pass the query. So currently I search Q spider, so I'm getting Q spider. If I search something else, Facebook, if I search guys something else, Facebook, so we will get this complete thing. Yeah, we will get this complete thing. So even we have to follow. You can see guys, again you have to observe only this part. After that we have key and value pair. Yes, after that you can see RLG, 1C and whatever, that is key and value pair. Just ignore it. But this is the complete URL, guys. So same URL we are going to use in our project as well. Yes. So from here up to here, yeah, from where to where, guys, we'll copy up to here, guys. Now we will copy up to here. So this search is going to act as your URL. Yes. So we will go back to project, and here we will declare a variable. So I'll say string URL equals to, now observe here carefully. So this thing will be there fixed. Yeah, this thing will be fixed for each and everything. So if you want to search something on the Google, https://www.facebook.com, then /search. So what is search here, guys? Search is nothing but it is a URL. Now, after that, after search, what we are getting? So we are getting whatever we are passing. If we will search here facebook.com, we will get Facebook. If we'll search here JSpider, we'll get here JSpider. If we'll search here QSpider, we'll get here QSpider. So guys, whatever, let's say if I'll search here Facebook, let's say guys, if I search here Facebook, so the URL will be here. After fs, automatically we will get here / and we will get here Facebook. So whatever we are searching here, guys, it should traverse to controller. Yeah, whatever we will search in this chat box, not chat box, text box, that should reach to controller. So how we can read, how we are fetching? We are fetching with the help of @request param, and this is the key of the particular field, and the data will be stored in the query. So after this, guys, what we will say, we will pass here plus query. We will pass here, guys, plus query. So this is the complete thing, complete path, and this query is going to determine what you are going to search. This query will determine what you are going to search. So based on this query itself, we have to like redirect our page. So now what we will do, first we will, okay, already we have created the object. So we will give a statement here. Okay, we will give a statement here. Your search is successful. Your search is successful. We'll give a statement, guys. Your search is successful. And if you want, you can print the URL, whatever you are going to search. Yes, your search is successful. And whatever you have searched, you can print in the console. But we have to do one more thing, guys. So the time user will click on Facebook, we have to redirect to Facebook. Yeah, so we have to make use of one method here. because here we are returning the object. Here we have to make use of one method. So we will say redirect view, and
Set
we have to
URL.
set the, yes, we have to say set URL. Set URL, guys, and here we'll pass the URL name. Yes, here we'll pass the URL name. That's it, guys. So you will take the data from front end. Yes, based on the query passed, you are going to redirect. But these things, www.google.com, it can be yahoo.com, it can be hotmail.com, but it will be remain same. The domain name will be remain same. Only this keyword will be changed. Now, let us see whether whatever we have used, it is working or not. Yeah, let us see, guys, whether it is working or not. So let us refresh the project. Let us refresh the project, guys. We will wait until it's reloaded. Yeah, you can see, guys. Okay, so we got here search controller is running. Now only we are getting, guys, search controller is running. Now I'll write here facebook.com. Facebook. I'll just write Facebook. Let's say you can give JSpiders. You can give JSpiders. I'll click on search. So guys, what it is taking? It is not taking JSpiders, guys. Something mistake with it. Something is mistake again. Some path is, there's a mistake in some path, guys. Just a second, guys. In console you can see we got here complete thing, HTTP, everything, but we should get the JSpider, right? Fine, we'll check it once. We will check it, guys. We will check it. Some mismatch in the URL again. So process. Now we should get here. We should get here. Okay, let me try with something else.
So where is the
First,
query, sir?
which query?
Given you have specified with that www.google.com plus query, that query.
They're getting the query from the front end. If I'll pass QSpider, query is QSpider. If I'll pass JSpider, query is JSpider. Yes, it is not, we have to provide. This complete thing is your query. Yeah, just see Facebook again. This is your query. Yeah, this is Facebook. After Q, whatever you are getting, this is your query. And this is your key and value pair. We no need to pass it explicitly. So fine, guys, we will execute, re-execute. If there's any error, we will fix it off. That query will get it from front end, whatever keyword we are passing. Okay, we'll see, guys, we'll see. Let us pass something else. JSpiders search. JSpiders search. It's not working. Let's say something else. Google.com. Just a second, guys. Some small mistake. Okay. For Google. Okay. Facebook. Click on search. Okay, so some mistake is there, guys. No problem. We'll fix it off. Okay. So guys, one thing we missed, right? Yes, one thing we have missed. Okay, we will get the query. We will get the query. So this query is nothing but, you can see, guys, if I'll copy this, this is your search is there, question mark is there. After that, we have to use Q. Yes, after that, we have to give Q, and then we have to pass the query. We have to use Q keyword, and then we have to pass the query. So after that, we will use Q equals to yes, and then the query will be what we can say concatenated. Yes, So we will get something like this. So this we have to use Q as well. Just observe this carefully, guys. Observe this carefully. We have to use https://:// interface www.google.com/ then search question mark q equals to that q equals to that query we will get it from the front end. That q equals to whatever query we are passing, we'll get it from the front end. So we
Yes,
have to
sir.
say q equals to here. Now it will match and it will search the data. That was the mistake, guys. Fine, let us refresh, guys. See, let us refresh this project. Let me open. Yeah, you can see search controller is running. Now I'll pass at JS spiders. I'll click on search. Again, something fishy, guys. Okay, no problem. We have to do it slowly, slowly. Yeah, we will rerun the application better. We will check it. Everything is working fine here. Okay, we will rerun the application. We should not use Apache Tomcat. We should go for Oracle Glassfish. That's better. Fine. From next batch, I'll use that. We will see, guys, what's happening, whether it's working fine or not. If not, we'll resolve it. No tension at all. My Tomcat started? No, not yet. Let's say JS Spiders itself, search. No, something is wrong, guys. Something is wrong with this URL. Something is wrong with this URL. It's telling search controller is running. Okay, no problem, guys. All of you complete up to here. Yeah, complete this class. Controller you complete. Some small mistake is there. We'll do it off. Yeah, some minor mistake is there. Let me fix it off. Otherwise, complete up to here. Guys, people are getting output. Hello.
Yes, sir, getting.
You're getting. What is the mistake in my program then? Same thing you did, right?
No, sir.
Okay, you can text me, ping me chat box. You don't have good internet, Aishwarya. Yeah, you're not getting Aishwarya. The network is weak, Aishwarya. I'm not able to hear you. So now what you did, like same thing or something changes. So simply I changed this name, Dinga Dingy I gave. Yeah, here as well I changed the name. That's it. I'm trying. There's some problem with these things only. Let us execute. Let me execute once again. Oh God. Tell me, Sudha, what you did? What changes? You are getting the output. If you are
Same,
clicking
sir.
on this, if you are clicking on something here, you are getting.
Yes, sir, getting, sir.
Share the screen once and show me. I don't know what's wrong in my project then. Just a second. So these things will happen because of some temporary cache memory. I need to clear the cache. Yeah, share the screen once. Sudha, yes, can you share the screen?
Sir, I am joining with a laptop joining pro now.
Oh God, okay, okay, fine. Okay, we'll do one thing, guys. We will clean our project. Yeah, might be there's some cache memory. Let me try this. So first we'll go to window, we'll go to clean, and then we'll clean the project. Okay, let me stop Apache Tomcat first. We'll clean the project. If everything is perfect, we should get the output. Okay, now even I'm clean the Apache Tomcat directory. Now let me try one last time, guys. Yeah, then we'll see what's happening. Okay, let me redeploy the project on the server. Run as run on server. My search button is not working. Yes. Sudha, can you share the screen now? Yeah, I'll make a presenter, share the screen. Don't unmute, put on mute itself, just share the screen and execute the program. Yes, we are not able to do Sudha. Yeah, fine. Okay. Okay, just execute this now. Okay, so in your case, it's working fine. Yeah. Yeah, in your case, it's working fine.
Yes, sir.
Aishwarya, what about you?
I'm getting the same, sir.
Like me?
Yes, sir. I did
Okay.
like before only I didn't make any changes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I don't know. Okay, fine. I have the same project, guys. Yeah. Uh, the same project is with me. I'll execute that project instead of this. Let's see. There I'm getting the output or not. So based on that, I sure you can just follow this. But I have same project. So let me execute this project once. Okay, let me check few more things, guys, because here I have multiple files. Okay, just a second. Index.jsp, what is ff? I should fire here home. Okay, home. 1 second, guys. I'll share the screen. You can just have a look. Yeah, let me execute this. Okay, so you can see same thing we did here. Yeah, the previous project. Oh no, this is something different. Not this guys. No, this is some different project. Just a second, guys. Oh no, I don't have this exactly. Yeah, fine. Let me try once again. Okay, so now just see what mistake is there in my program. Yeah, just see it once. Exactly same or something different. Okay, I'll open these things, but I guess everything is same. There's a problem with cache memory, that's it. Okay, like you guys make controller, search controllers there. Then we have search.jsp. Yeah, so here the form action I'm using Dinga. So here I'm giving form action as Dinga itself. Then here the URL or path is for time being I gave dingy, so I'm using here dingy. Yeah, then I'm storing in some variable, and then I'm saying string URL http colon q equals to query. Yeah, the query we are getting from this dingy part, and then we are setting a URL. Yes, we are setting a URL, and then we are setting return redirect. Yes, why the hell it's not working? Same thing you did, Sudha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Let's see. I'll rerun one second. Okay, let me check in this index what I have used. FS itself. FS. Yeah, FS itself. Fine. So there's problem with the front end, guys, nothing much. So sign up button like I have printed outside the form or what, that I need to check. If it's not working then. Small project also, guys, it will take so much time. Let me try spiders search. Okay, my search button is not working. Yeah, so problem with my view.jsp. Search.jsp.
Sir, type equal to submit.
Yes, here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, that's what small problem there. Oh. So that's what, guys, you people need to help me. If you are doing any project, you need to help me in the front end. Yeah, I'm not good in that front end that much. Spiders search. Okay, it's working fine. So a small thing, guys, submit. Yeah. Okay. So guys, now let's say, now I'll give a small assignment, guys, you have to complete. Now this is my search box. This is my search small application we have, that we are taking the URL, we are taking from the view, we are passing to the controller, and then we are processing, we are returning the respective page. Small application, you can say. Now, if I'll give it as a blank, yes, if I'll give as a blank, if I'll click on search, then what I'm getting in the sense, I'm getting this google.com. I don't want google.com. Yes, if I'm giving her blank, I should get the same page here. Yes, it should redirect me to same welcome to search application. Yes, I should get, guys, same page here, welcome to search application. It should not take me to Google. So for that, what you will do, guys? Yes, if I'm not giving anything, I should get the same page. I should not get google.com. Yes, so any logic, guys, what you will
We
do?
we have to check whether that search box is empty or not. If it is empty, then we have to redirect the page to say we have to redirect to same page.
Very good. Do it off
Using
now
if
first.
condition, sir.
Yeah.
The query is null,
Yes, yes.
then we have to redirect
Yeah,
to the same page.
yeah, all of it do it now itself. Complete this thing also. Guys, all of you complete this. Use if condition and try once.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, inside search controller.java, after we accept the query in string URL, after that, if we make use of if condition, if query equal to null, then break. Will that work, sir?
No, it will not work. You have to go for redirect itself. Break will not work. Okay, so small task. Yeah, this is a little bit not that complicated. You have to define one more method. Yeah, just try your logic. Yes, this is not that easy, guys. Yeah, it's easy, not that difficult. Just try by yourself. Yes, so you can go for whatever you want. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
I won't. Yeah, I won't show like what you have to do. Try by yourself once. Fine, guys. So this is a small assignment you have to do and come. If I'll click on search and if the value is empty, I should get the same search box. First assignment. And second thing, guys, have you created the form page, whatever I said? Yeah, you have to try. You have to try, and you should get the output, guys. No other choice. I'm not going to solve that. Yeah, you have to try and you have to get the output. Small thing I'm giving is these many things we have discussed. So use your brain and do it all. See, you cannot go for return prefix. Yeah, you cannot go for return prefix because method return type is redirect view. Yes, you cannot go for return prefix, guys. So you have, let's see how you can do it. Then I'll tell you at last. So all of you try, guys, and I hope you have created the form page. So in tomorrow's class, guys, in same project, yeah, whatever project we have created now, in same project we will add some JSP file. In the search project itself, we will add some JSP file. We will try to upload some background image. Yes, we'll try to add some background image. Then how to implement CSS. So tomorrow's class, guys, we will see how we can add JSP file, how we can add an image, or how we can add CSS file. Yes, so we will discuss in tomorrow's class how we can add in Spring MVC project these things. Yeah, so guys, just you people just revise your JSP. How you can be by using which tag you can like add the JSP file. By using which tag you can add CSS file. Yeah, so just go through that. So in tomorrow's class, in same project, we will add these three things. Yes, so fine, guys. So just complete it off, and once it is done, we will go for your form thing. Whatever form I said, we will make use of that form, and we will see how we can transfer the data, how we can store the data. Yeah, so guys, just go through today, like because of the front end thing we wasted so much time, but tomorrow we will do it off. We'll go a little quick. So we will not discuss like whatever front end is there, we will do it separately. I'll tell you to do and come. Yeah, as an assignment. Yes, guys. So that's all for today. Just try whatever I said. We'll continue in tomorrow's class. I hope, guys, whatever we covered today, it's clear for you. Yeah, it is clear for both of you. Not everyone, only 2 members are there now. Yeah, so just go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Fine, guys, then we'll end this meeting here. Bye bye. Take care.